Ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure you're all wondering why I've invited the world's deadliest assassins here today. I'm here to offer you all a grand start.
Go back to the grave, old man!
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into Hailuo AI, an advanced AI video generation platform that transforms your simple text ideas into stunning cinematic videos within seconds. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or just curious about the power of AI, this tool is something you don't want to miss. Let's see how it works and what makes it stand out. You'll find the link to this website in the description below. Just click on it, sign up for free, and log in to start creating your own AI-powered videos with Hailuo AI.
When you log in for the first time, you'll receive 1,000 free credits for 3 days and 100 daily bonus credit that you can use to explore the platform and try out all of Hailuo AI's powerful features.
Here, you'll find a wide variety of videos along with their prompts, which you can easily recreate in your own style, customized to match your preferences and needs. Let me show you how to generate videos using this platform. On the home page, you'll see a prompt box where you can enter your text prompt and upload a reference image to generate a video instantly. Alternatively, you can click on the Create Video icon to start from there. Here, you'll find 3 video creation options: image to video, text to video, and subject reference. Each option gives you a unique way to bring your ideas to life with AI-powered visuals. Let's start with the image to video feature. Here, all you need to do is upload an image and enter a prompt to generate your video. But if you don't have an image and just have an idea in mind, you can even generate a picture right here by clicking the Generate Image button. Write your main idea here. You can also brainstorm it further with the help of DeepSeek. Here, you also get options for preset and auto-enhance prompts. You can upload a reference character, set the image ratio and the number of images you want to generate, and then simply click the Generate button. As you can see, it has generated 4 images. You can download the ones you like. Now, upload your image here, and below that, enter your video prompt. You also have the option to enhance your prompt. In addition, camera movement options are available, such as debut, freedom, left or right circling, upward tilt, and more. There are plenty of choices under free selection as well, so choose the one that best suits your needs. After that, choose a model from the available options. For example, i2v01 Director offers precise professional-style camera movement control. i2v01 Live, ideal for generating smooth, vivid animations with live characters, perfect for 2D illustrations. i2v01, a base model from the i2v series for standard image-to-video conversion. Select the one that best fits your project needs, and the video generation process will begin. As you can see, the result is an impressive and high-quality video. Now let's explore the powerful text-to-video feature. This tool allows you to transform simple text prompts into visually stunning videos with just a few clicks. Here, all you need to do is enter your video prompt. If you like, you can enhance it using DeepSeek for improved results. After that, set your preferred camera movement. You'll also find 2 model options available. Select the one that best suits your needs and then click the Generate button to start creating your video. The video generation process has already begun, and here is the video for you. You can see how it has created an amazing and cinematic video perfectly in line with the video prompt provided. Next, we have the Subject Reference to Video feature. In this section, you can upload a reference image of your character to guide the AI in generating a more accurate and visually aligned video. Below the image upload area, you're free to enter your own prompt describing the scene, mood, or actions you want in the video. Additionally, on the right-hand side under the effects section, you'll find a variety of pre-designed styles and scenes to enhance your creation. Simply select the effect that best suits your vision, click the generate button, and within moments your video will be ready. As you can see, it has produced an incredibly stunning cinematic scene with impressive detail and atmosphere.
If we go to the My Assets section, you can clearly see that all the videos were successfully generated on the very first attempt, a strong indication of the tool's high success rate and output quality.
And that's a wrap. As you just saw, Hailuo AI makes it incredibly easy to turn your ideas into visually stunning cinematic videos, whether you're starting from text, an image, or even a reference character. It's a game changer for creators, marketers, and anyone looking to harness the power of AI in storytelling. Ready to try it yourself? The link to Hailuo AI is in the video description below. Just click, sign up for free, and claim your 1000 free credits to start creating today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more powerful AI tools and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.